Assalamu alaikum students. This is the subject of elementary education and administration for the semester 7 BS4 Home Economics. Today we are going to discuss motivation at elementary school level. Motivation is the internal state that arouses or directs or maintains the behavior of an individual. Now all those factors which encourage a student to have interest in teaching learning process will be called motivational factors. So motivation is the main focus and is the main help for an elementary teacher to make the teaching learning process effective. Now the question is how to motivate the child. For this purpose, elementary teacher should follow the following principles. Number 1, build strong relationship with the students. A strong relationship will help the teacher to make the teaching process more interesting. Now, the second principle is tell them why it matters. Tell the students, inform the students, make to realize the students that why the teaching process is compulsory for them. It is not only for taking the marks, but it also has some other important role in their life. So make them to realize it, make them to feel it. The third principle says give them a voice and a choice. The right to speak, the right to raise their voice, the right to express the opinions. It is the main right and right of a student and the responsibility of a teacher. So elementary teachers should always encourage the students to make their own choices and to raise their voices. In simple words, they should be allowed to express their opinions. The next says make it fun. Teaching should make a fun, but not always. From a lighter mood or on a lighter side, by making it a compulsory process, also create some fun, some interest in the teaching process. Then make it relevant. All the subject and all the material which an elementary teacher is going to teach the students should be relevant. It should be related to the real and practical life of a human being. Make it real. Make the teaching process and all the teaching material a real process. Otherwise, students will think that it's not necessary and they will ignore it. And then use of technology. The use of modern technology will make the teaching learning process more interesting and more effective, and students will be motivated to take interest in this process. Thank you.